Hi everyone. Um, Good afternoon. Welcome everybody to my streaming. Let me review if Twitch is alive. Twitch is alive and all is working fine.
Alive and all is working fine.
Yes, of course. So okay. Today we are going to perform penetration test over ServMon. It's a Windows machine at Hack the Box platform. It's already started. Okay, we are going to start. So ServMon, encoder scripts nmap exploit and data. So we are going inside to nmap and nmap tool about this IP 227.75. So let me locate. It's inside of my path, I think. Scan ports, yeah, 210, 109, yeah, the ports are alive. So we found 21 is an FTP, 22 is SSH, 18 HTTP port, and Samba, and I think another RPC ports open. So we can start checking FTP client to the null sessions at port IP 227.75 at port 21. Sorry, exit at port 21 with anonymous connection, anonymous domain.com. Yeah, so ls-l. So it seems that the directory is empty. So we should exit because it not contains any important information. So with SMB client we can check to the null connection to Samba. We can try with the IP 75. 75, yes, and access deny. So if we check with crack map exec, crack map exec localhost, it seems that it's not working, but we are checking to the same problem. It say that it's a Windows 10. Yeah, this is important. And the name of the service is ServMon, and the domain is ServMon. So it seems that it's a long Windows 10 that don't belong to any domain. It seems, but I'm not sure. So let me check it. The nmap output. Yes, this is the RPC connections. Yes, this is an HTTP NS client. This is a monitoring service, and this is Microsoft RPC. So for Samba and the SSH for Windows and HTTP. So we need to review the content of the web service at the port of HTTP. It's 10, 9, 227 and 75. Yes, this is the login of NMBs 10. We can try with admin, don't work, admin, admin 123, don't work. So with maybe inside of pages login, robots, txt, not exist. So we are trying to fuzz this server at 7 75 to this one, and it seems that something is wrong because respond with a response with a 200 value, but send an XML with a file status. So it seems that this is not the way. So NMBMS 1000, sorry, search exploit. So NMBMS, so sorry, NVMS. So directory transversal hardware, but okay, let me check it. FTP. So there are a folder user at FTP. So cd users dir and cd nadin dir get confidential.txt cd cd dir again, so cd Nathan dir, and this is get nodes to do txt, so exit. Let me check move confidential txt to streaming and ServMon and data. So we can move confidential to streaming, ServMon and data. So sorry, it's confidential, I don't know. Okay, and the other is nodes to do txt. So cd streaming ServMon data. Yes, we can check confidential txt. So say Nathan is the name of one user. I left your password file on your desktop. Please remove once you have edited, place back to the secure folder. So the other one is cat. We need to access to the desktop, maybe with a remote command execution or another things. Notes to do, it's change the password of virtual machines complete, lock down the NSCCLient access complete, upload the password, remove public access to NVMS, and place secret files in ServMon. So at this point we can continue with the search exploit. Search exploits to NVMS. Yes, so this directory transversal could be nice. Search exploit -m to this one, override cp, yes, to cp this one, 477 to streaming, ServMon and data. So cd streaming, ServMon and data. We can move it, sorry, to scripts, for example. Yes, so we can cut okay, cd scripts, cut the exploit content. So it's a proof of concept of this service. This one has some directory path traversal detected with a get petition, and you can verify it doing this, and should be this the response. This is the directory windows.ini. So we only need to settings, proxy, use manual proxy at local port. So we can in another window open a burp sweep, yes, and continue to this window, close, not update, and open it. So we are going to intercept the petition of our browser right now with a login petition or whatever, for example with this one. So instead of load the page login HTML, we are going to include this one in order to verify that the server is vulnerable to this directory path traversal attack. So we can set to repeater and forward. At this point, show you the output of the exploit of the vulnerability manually. So here at the repeater we have the same request, and we can perform it without authenticated. We can obtain the content of the directories. So here say left your password txt file on your desktop. It seems that there are a password txt file at the desktop of the user Nathan at the operative system. So we can validate that here at users directory, there are a Nathan user, and inside of desktop there are a password txt. I'm not sure that if it's right brighted. Passwords, desktop, and Nathan, desktop, and passwords txt. Yeah, it's working. So this is the txt context of the passwords. At this point we can create a beam users txt, no, passwords, sorry, passwords txt file here, did insert, change it here, copy, see, Control C, here Control V. So without the spaces, without blank lines, this is the password that we need verified. We need verify the password for the users Nathan and Nadine, that is the writer and the sender and the responser of the node. So it's possible create a new users.txt file with the name Nathan and Nadine. Yes. Escape. For example, with Hydra, we can perform an SSH attack to 75 with the users of the file and the passwords of the file over SSH by default port and verbose. And it's Nadine has this password, so we can access to the target machine using the SSH service at port 22, this one, with the user and credentials in order to enter to the target machine. So SSH Nadine at 10.129 and the 7 and the 5 with the credentials of this file. Yes, who am I all. Yeah, this is the privilege that has this user, authenticated user, this organization, local accounts, authentication, medium mandatory level. So it's not SIM that has administration privilege for the privilege escalation process. This is the same group. So yeah. Right now at the desktop, there should be the user txt flag. Yes, so perfect. Right here we can obtain the, for example, locate win piece .exec. Yes, let me see. We can share it. Sorry, cp. This script here. Yes, and I want to share Python HTTP server at this port using, for example, third udil .exec. I don't know if it's is working. Cache -f HTTP. My attacker IP I think is 10.10.14.83, but I'm not sure. If config, is 10.10.14.83 at port 8888. Over the file winps.exe. The output is winps.exe. Is with one flag, maybe. Access is denied. So for writing, but this is denying user. Echo test to test.txt. There. Maybe it's a problem of the 10.10.14 at port 8888. So the petition don't arrive to the right place. So maybe we can use a common port. Maybe a firewall is locked this connection 4043. WinPs again, access is denied. With PowerShell.exe get HTTP 10.10 4043 winps.exe winps.exe. This is the out value. Right now. So there, this is the winps.exe, and we're going to execute it. Cannot execute this program. Why not? cmd winps let's see winps.exe it is like it, so we can try to locate for winps.bat. cp here. Yes, right now we can winps.bat and winps.bat. Yes, right now we can execute winps.bat dot bat cannot open device or file specified. There. So is this one? Please execute it for me. External pro. So it seems that the test txt dear so it seems that the other service is locked by us. Let's start by the sorry, the firewall is locked us. Let's start again. Yeah. Pipe find string listening. Yeah. So this is the other service that is alive. We can verify here of NSCCLient at cd c program files cd don't seems that it here installed. Maybe in program files there is here cd and s client there. So settings client log python web. Maybe we can execute a python script or something. nscp.ini. So we can verify this file. So there is in this directory not found. So there are config file or similar, Unicode, web, filter, bytesock, PI, plugin, settings, security, scripts, Unicode data. So maybe the cd web there index statics. This is the web that is stored. Let me close this one. 10 27 at 75. at port 18 4043. Just let me check in the proxy. Okay, right now 84043. This service is working here at any 4043. Yes. So this is the IP 75. Yes, but I want this one. Connection was reset. Maybe HTTPS. Yes. And say verify certificate not use. Yeah, accept the risk and continue. So yes, it seems that they are inside. They are unauthenticated or what? So home. Here. So this is the file. Client.ini type. The configuration file at allowed host localhost. So this is the problem. It say allowed host to access is public but on the credentials. It say allowed host to access is this one. So we can perform pivot import forwarding. Let me try it. Is SSH. Yeah, is this one with the IP 227 and 75. We obtain the 8443 at local from the remote server with this SSH command. So we need to do this one. Yes. So at this point at local it seems that we should obtain the net stat. Yes, we are listening at local for this port, so we can try to check it. Using HTTPS. Yeah, right now so as the login at local because it's the allowed host. So it's the same that manipulate the request. I think that we can change the value of host or host forwarding. It seems that it's work, but it's better because you continually need to change for each petition, and I think that we can try to connect with this one. Don't save. Yes. So this is the queries and this is the settings. Logs, console queries, settings. modules path. So external scripts default. Setting external scripts is a list of available scripts of external script module syntax command arguments. Change, yeah. We can edit a new script with the name reverse. The key should be command, like in the file. There are commands for the service and schedule task. And the value should be a reversal, yeah. Okay. We can obtain what operative system version system info. Right here we can locate a netcat access deny. Netcat 64 was Windows 10 is netcat is 64 bits, I think. We can cp this one, cp to the directory folder. We can create a script that say reverse dot cmd, put Windows, for example, temp. I think that at Windows temp should be bright. Netcat.exec. The target IP of my attacker IP is 10.10.40.83, and my remote port could be 4043 that is working, and we want to expand cmd.exec. This will be the idyllical command for execute the script. So I'm not sure that it's going to work at the first time, but right now in this directory we can upload a server, and with PowerShell we can obtain wget http 10.10.14.83 at port 9090, and the out it will be with the name reverse .cmd, reverse.cmd. Let me check it. Yes, it's stored. Right now we need the netcat command ct4 and exec. This is the binary. This is the netcat 64.exec. This is the output of the binary without 64 for my script. So we can review if it's stored. Yeah. We are going to try to copy this one to C Windows temp, but what I want to copy the netcat.exec to this directory. Is copy successful? Yes. So we can copy to the reverse cmd to cmd to the same directory folder. So right now we can go to Windows cd Windows temp and dir. So it seems that there are no permissions for write. Okay, so maybe add echo test test there. Oh, maybe it's not permissions for read, not for write. So okay, cd c app data or no, it's program data. Here we can validate yes, and SSH software distribution regis nas slightly echo test and we can write it. It's verified, so we can move the C Windows temp file reverse cmd to here. It's not move, it's move like this. Access is denied, so we can copy again the C users nothing desktop to netcat. It's out of desktop, netcat exec here. The other one is reverse cmd here. So at this point our script don't work properly because we need edit beam reverse cmd. This should be x insert program data. This is we need to perform again the download with PowerShell with the reverse cmd to reverse cmd. Yes, here and type the reverse cmd program data. Yeah, program data. So the first step is start to listen n minus nb at 4043. Okay, we are going to check the test execution. First of all, we need to execute with the NSCCLient because work with administration privilege. Okay, reverse. I think that is work with administration privilege. It say option NC for help. It seems that this command it's not valid. I'm not sure why. 10. So this is the let me check the oh shit is minus e. Again. Okay. For this reason you should check the scripts before move the come on it's reverse cmd. Yes, it's working fine. Who am I? ServMon Nadine. So okay, close this one and listen again. We need to configure here the value of the script that is the reverse cmd, that is at program data reverse cmd included. It's saying that save configuration is right. Yes, here reverse. This is the command value, this is the command value. So at this point this file should be modified and include our new script c program data reverse cmd. So we have this console and we can try to execute the previous script, that is script reverse is this one. I don't know if with reverse is work. Oh, but not here. Shit. Console in this one, and we need the credentials again because don't have the cookie session or miss it during the SSH tunnel or whatever, or remote host. I'm not sure. So here is reverse and say reverse available commands, command unknown commands, duration unknown, reverse commands. It seems that it not recognizes, so we can check with scripts reverse or f2, sorry, f2. Run and say scripts reverse available commands don't work. Maybe I should create an alias, a new alias is reverse script edit save configuration. So here we should clear, no, in Windows is CLS, yes. This is the alias of the script and this is the path of the script. So we are going to try to execute from the console this this script, reverse script, and say reverse script available commands alias event log file alias table long plugins but don't files again, maybe it's launched, no. So settings, paths, info basics. So it's a execution path is this one. So the scripts are inside of this one backslash scripts. So inside cd of scripts dir echo test access denied. We can't send our script to this path, but we can modify the scripts path to this one. We can modify the base path, no, not the base path, the exec path to program data. Yes, this is completely true. Save configuration and go again to console and try to execute reverse script. Available command is not working, so maybe if we update this one, we need query settings, external scripts reverse, setting external scripts reverse. So maybe we can execute it at console. Script available commands. Reverse. So maybe after this change, the path change it. See program data. This is save it. Don't change. It seems that we can reload. Forget again the information. We can use reverse. Yeah, no command alias found, so this could be reverse script. So external scripts reverse. This has an alias reverse script. Save changes. This console. check the full bar, reverse script. No command or alias found reverse. Check external scripts. So at what path is this external scripts? Reverse. If we try this one, so no command or alias found reverse, and if you put reverse script, what is the error? External variable commands, reverse script, available commands alias except available command is exec, is inside of maybe the alias should be like the available command. I'm not sure about this. So here we can modify the script, the reverse to the specific alias undefined key alias save change, yeah, save configuration, reverse alias. So new value, we don't need new value, we save. So control reload, and we can go to console. Oh, duplicate command for reverse. So it seems that exists, and we can execute it. Reverse run, execute in reverse. So who am I? Authority system. So we can go to see users, administrator, desktop. Really? cdc users, users, dir, and cd administrator, dir and cd desktop. Yeah, here type root txt. This is the flag system info at this moment could be executed. Is a Microsoft Windows Server 2019 standard edition. Is has a hostfix installed, yeah, and I think that is a new version, but contain these vulnerabilities. This is all for this machine. So I hope that you enjoy and learn. I feel very concentrated. So see you.